Yo! It's been a long time since I last made a video and I miss I miss making videos. Just I don't know, I keep moving back and forth with the manga, but things are going fine now. I'm finally making a progress. There's just a lot of changes happening. I I posted I posted a video of me doing the first page, right? The first page. And what I did is that I think back and forth whether I should fix the plot or the character designs, and then ended up doing nothing after that. So, yeah, there's a lot to work on still, but yeah, I'm finally making on progress because I reworked the first page again. I reworked the first page again. It's right there. Um, but I'm finally making a progress. I'm finally set. I've I've finally made up my mind with one decision. I fixed the character designs. I think I should not overthink the character designs at all. But the manga, the plot, it's gonna be the same as the original, as in the novel. In Wattpad, it's gonna be the same as the original. I should not overthink the plot too much. If it's the plot, it's just like that. If it wants to stay the same, let it be. You don't have to overthink it. If that's what your idea beforehand, before starting the manga, you don't have to overthink it at all. But now, there's more than just the manga that I'm working on. You guys know it. I finished 2 books of Psycho's Inferno, the book 1 and Girls It Infamy book. It's on Wattpad, you can read it. The manga is gonna be right a replica of the novel in Wattpad exactly. Well, now I also have to work on the War flashback book. It's still Psycho's Inferno, but it's the War flashback. It's Akiara's flashback and Shiro's memories. And then I'll also have to work with the book 3. I'll also have to work for the book 3. And now, so the manga, War flashback book, and the book 3, I'm all working on it. Just, I'm working in blocks. Depends on what I want to do right now. But now, I also want to publish a novel by next year. So I'm working on, I don't know, I can't make up decisions, right? I can stick with one decision. I can't decide whether or what this book is the right novel to publish. I have a lot of story ideas. We have Chromantic Chroma, we have Catcomb, we have we have a lot, and they are all different kinds of genres. But now I want to focus on Chromantic Chroma. I think I can work on Chromantic Chroma. Chromantic Chroma. We just need a solid conflict for the stores to move forward. I'll just work on that. I think Chromantic Chroma is the novel that I will publish next year. Psycho's Inferno. Yes, Psycho's Inferno is finished. Book 1 is finished, but it needs a lot of tweaking. There's a lot of problem in that book, but I don't know. I just don't feel like publishing Psycho's Inferno right now as a novel, but as a manga, I really want it to be a manga, a physical manga. But yeah, things happen. Just I need to publish a book. Why? Personally, okay, I will admit it. I will admit it. We need money. Personally, I don't want to create stuffs. I don't want to be a creative just because for money. But right now, with how things are looking, we need money. We kind of need money. That's just how things looks right now. I'm so sorry, guys, but I want to enjoy writing Chrome Anti-Chrome as much as possible, as much as how I enjoyed writing Psychos Inferno. I don't want everything to be just about money. I don't want everything to be just about money. I want there to be satisfaction, enjoyment, fulfillment, whatever. I want to be happy making it. And money will come after that. But yeah, the sole reason I'm finally touching Chroma Anti-Chroma. The prologue and 2 chapters of Chroma Anti-Chroma is in Wattpad. After that, nothing really came after those chapters. So yeah, I want to touch Chroma Anti-Chroma again. I want to work on it. I want to fix the plot. Maybe I will change those chapters in Wattpad. But yeah, there's actually a few characters that I like in Chroma Anti-Chroma, like Mr. Names and Shoot. Obviously, I love Shoot. Mr. Names, he's I love Mr. Names' character design. Um, he's supposed to be in Psychos Inferno, okay? Because the character design is, mm, it's just, he's hot, okay? He's hot. He's hot. That big eye on his forehead. He's a cool one. He's so cool, but I feel like if I put him in Psychos Inferno, he'll be outshined by the other characters like Demios or even or Nero. But I know Mr. Names could be. He looked like a villain. His character design looked like a villain, but I want him to be one of the nice guy. I want him to be a really nice guy, and doing so, he'll be outshined in Psychos Inferno. So he'll be in Chroma Anti-Chroma. He'll be sunlight there. My plans. So okay, here's my plans. I'm working on the manga. I finally have 2 pages for the manga. I write the war flashback novella, and then I'll work on the book tree, and then Chroma Anti-Chroma, so that I could publish it next year. So hopefully this 5 months left in the year 2026 is gonna be good for us. No more voices. Just enjoy. Enjoy creating stuff. That's what we always do. Oh, that video right there, it's a writing vlog. I feel like I need to watch writing vlogs more to fuel my motivation and just fuel my creativity, right? Because I'm working on Chroma Anti-Chroma. I'll work on Chroma Anti-Chroma in the morning and maybe the manga in the afternoon, and maybe fill in the gaps of my day with book 3 and the novella. There's a lot. There's a lot. I don't know how I'm doing it. I don't know why I have so much ideas in my mind right now. There's so many other stories that I want to write, but they're not as great as Psychos Inferno. I don't love them as much as Psychos Inferno. No one can beat Psychos Inferno. It's like my magnum opus. Did my voice just broke? Um, it's the video is getting longer. I should wrap this up. Yeah, it's been 10 minutes.